Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start in your gallery because that's where the originals live. Open it and select the album or photos you want to move. Once selected, tap Share and choose Google Photos if visible. This sends images into the Photos upload queue. Make sure Google Photos is signed into the same account, otherwise uploads will go elsewhere. Also, confirm you're on Wi-Fi and have enough battery so the transfer won't stall, and keep the screen awake while the first files upload. Once your images are handed to Google Photos, open the Photos app and tap Settings, then Backup and Sync so you can control how uploads behave. You choose Original to preserve full quality or Storage Saver to save space. Know that originals count against Google storage limits. Make sure Backup and Sync is toggled on and the correct account is selected. Then check the Activity Manager for progress, and if many files are pending, pause other heavy network. To finish, verify in Google Photos that every photo and video is present and that timestamps and locations match what you expect. This prevents accidental loss. Once you confirm a complete successful upload, you can free local storage by deleting originals from the gallery, but only after checking backups. If something's missing, first retry the backup for those items. If issues persist, clear app cache for gallery and photos and restart the phone before trying again. That one troubleshooting step fixes most stuck transfers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.